channel. We all have that one friend that always seems to be having car trouble. Well, I've got one too. He's always got something going on. We've put up multiple bearings and fuel pumps, and he's down again. Been told he's got a big rat's nest wiring above his fuel pump. We're going to drop that. First, we're going to pop his hood and check his spark plugs and his distributor cap. We're going to do a mix of still and video because I'm almost out of space on my phone. So let's get into it. Hello everyone. Here we are. We've already taken this fuel sending unit apart. Just remember, when you take it apart, there is a filter in a little screen filter inside here already. It will come off the bottom of the little pump unit here. You can see me having the new one in my hand. Just take a screwdriver and just pry it gently off the bottom. It will come off. I didn't do that. Thought it was all one together and let it come out the little small hole on the bottom. It did come out, but it was a little difficult to get it out. And once I got it out, I did find out that, oh, that does come off. So we went ahead and got the extra little fuel pump to put back in here. You can see me here putting it back in and finding a little hole up in the bottom here. The kit does come with all new hoses and stuff to put back on it here, but where this was so new, we didn't use those replacement hoses. We just used the pump itself. Here I am putting the screen back on right now. It just pushes right on up this little ceramic little enclosure here. Just take your time putting it back together. It will go back together rather easily. Just remember, when you take it apart, use 2 screwdrivers and push the little plastic tabs in on the sides, and it will just slide completely apart. These are easy to put to work on. Just take your time. You can do it. Are you going?
Yeah. Beep.
See if they're gonna do a voiceover right now.
Probably. On this side, maybe I can get a better view of it.
Back together. You think I'll try to wash that out or what? Or just put it back together?
When
How bad is it? Get the can all the way down. Now, we got everything? The electric parts laying around besides that?
That's the only thing.
Just take your time putting it back together, people. It is easy to put back together. Just take your time. It's really all self-explanatory. As we said once before, this is rather a new pump. We didn't replace the feed hoses, whatever they are on the sides there. It does come with the kit to rebuild it. If you do need them, you can rebuild them. Be sure you put all your locking keys back in, the little red key on top. Don't break off any of the other locking keys that's down inside the sending unit there, and don't mess up your fuel level switch out there on the side there. If you mess it up, you won't be able to reach the correct fuel level. So we put this back in, and it's working now so far, knock on wood. We see how long it lasts. And I don't know why they don't make stuff that lasts anymore. Like I said, this is the third one of these that we've done in this vehicle here. Lasts a little bit. So, and this last one didn't even last 2 weeks. So, and there's a number of the pump for those who do need it for this particular model vehicle. If you haven't done so already, do like and subscribe, and have a nice day.